Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to do a quick tutorial on what I do with this Wow Dream Coat for curly hair. And this is what I use to get my hair curly, naturally curly if you have naturally curly hair. Mine's not like ringlets, but mine's more of a, some strands are wavy, some strands are curly, some strands are straight, unfortunately. I think that's the flat iron. So many years of heat. I think this front part right here just quit on me. So I do want to show you what I do with this. And on the back, it says do not, well, it doesn't say do not. It just says this is for air dry curls. So I've seen a lot of people on TikTok using this, using a diffuser, and it does not say to use heat on this. It says for air dry. So keep that in mind when you're using this. I've used this quite a few times, and I really did love how this works on my hair. So let me just show you really quick what I do. So my hair is just towel dried. I just got finished washing it, and it's more on the medium wet side. It's not too wet. It's not sopping wet. This is going to get it super, super wet, so FYI. So I did brush through it first just to get all the knots out. And I want to tell you that I spray this liberally. This will leave a cast in your hair, but not like gel and not like hairspray. So I'll just scrunch it. I feel like I didn't get a whole lot in this front area. And now I'll just scrunch it. I'll usually scrunch it with my towel, but I'm gonna just use my this is my hair turban. And as you can see, it's curly, it's just not ringlets. I have a wave in my hair, really. And it's just natural. And so once it's completely dry, I'll touch up these few pieces that go straight in the front. And then I'll show you the finished product. Give me a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. So this is the Wow stuff that I just used. I told y'all, give me a little while. And this is it, like 90% dry. What I recommend is if you wanted to hurry up and dry and leave that cast, go outside. That's what I normally do. I'll go outside because we have record temperatures right now for whatever reason. It's not even August yet. And I'll just go outside and it'll air dry faster than just staying indoors. So this is it. And I do curl a few pieces right here in the front that get a little straighter than normal. But pretty much everything else is curly, and just these few pieces I curl with the curling iron. So that's my review. I really do like this product. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick tutorial on what I do. 2 thumbs up. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.